Nakabenta ki khubor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam takasngi. Ka MLA na Shillong East Shillong Light Mkra constituency ka Dr. Mrs. Mazel Amperin lingdo bat uba Shri Mohendro Rapsang na West Shillong Mauprem constituency kila rung hagaseng san perthai ka National People Party belayalam da u konrat ki sangma min ha ka khat khandai turik uno pra ar hajar arfu ar hamadan yaurengham. Titegi nong mi khamat ki bladab ai shithi ino akam she secretary commissioner ka Meghalaya Assembly na ka benta bandrung shaka NPP ya ka jingrung seng NPP ki tei arngut na Shillong City lapriang sobha de president rangba ka seng NPP u konrad ki sangma bad uba prestun tin sang vice president ka te ka seng Haga jingrung seng uba Mohendro Rapsang la donlang u MP Rajya Sabha u badai u NPP State President uba WR Kharlukhi u State Working President Professor Don Kuparwar MDC HADC Fenton Joseph Lakadong NPP Aba ai jingkren ka kong Emprin Mindo kalayathu bagaseng NPP kadi kaseng jengki pat ba kabayaram patre shitam mi kiskim penroy yathu kate ka MLA is Shillong ka kong Emprin Mindo haba pensmo shapang kaseng NPP kayathu shibun kiseng san pathai ki kantho ya ka NPP kumju yoba prestun tensong campaign
to have a billionaire like you.
Kaya da rapjot ya kaseng NPP ba ikam ba katre
So
kamtam ka
many
jikan
people
tho
in the
yoba
state of
snaw balang ha
Meghalaya
bat kidhal company ba
leaders
pentre ya ka
who
kam
will
penroy
not
ha
steal
Meghalaya
their money. Correct? It does not matter. Some people make issues out of rich candidates. But I tell you, the people of 16 East Shillong, I'd rather be working closely with a candidate who will not disappear with the people's funds and rights. Correct? Thank you to the President, Kharlukhi. He stays in my constituency. He's my voter. This time, I am assured that he will vote for me, right? I also want to thank Badon and the team. I want to thank Balamprang. I want to thank people from my own Apex team. Thank you, my beloved Apex team members. I cannot name you one by one, but I know that there is one man whom we must thank, and that is James. Thank you so much, James. My husband, who is the MDC. Let's say thank you to Fenton for all that he does for us. Come on, a loud applause. Bayor Beno, yes.
As an MLA, almost 5 years, but today I resign as an MLA for a very good cause. I resign today as an MLA because I am going to join a new party, and now I'm in a new party, that is the National People's Party. I'm very happy to be in this party because my supporter supported me, they trusted me, and they told me, sir, go and join any party, but join a like-minded party, a party who can really take the people, who can really take the state to the top. I've seen with the leadership of our beloved Chief Minister, I'm sure he will take a state to the top 10 in the country. That's why I joined this party. We have seen many programs. We have seen many programs the state government has come up. For whom? This program has come up for the beloved people of our state. That's why I'm confident, but I'm sure that I'm also in this party because of the development of the state and the upliftment of the people of a state as a whole. That's why I'm joining this party, and I'm so happy that all my supporters are there with me. They have full support to me. Thank you very much for all of them. बहुत धन्यवाद आप लोग को सब। हमको इतना विश्वास है आप लोग फुल सपोर्ट दिया मेरे को। और ये 2023 I'm 100% I'll come back as an MLA with your support.
Situation that we have here in our state, and not only that, Kong Amprin, Barab Sang, and other respected MLAs, we used to share the ideas, we used to discuss the issues, how to serve better for the interest of the state as a whole. So ultimately, all these three great leaders made up their mind and joined the family NPP. Let me just tell you one thing. These two elected members, two great leaders, they will take a lead in the entire Shillong city for capturing all the seats. As rightly mentioned by Dr. Kharluki, we should come out flying color. I would like to remind all of us here, the only party who got absolute majority in the history of Meghalaya happens in the year 1972, where the APHLC that time got 32 seats out of 60. Then when you count from 1972 till today, we have completed 50 years. I think we will again create a record of 50th year of our statehood, that we should get the majority in the name of our party NPP.
Kong Amprin, Ma Mahendra Rapsang, and Ma Lamare, our MDC, to the family of the National People's Party. Along with them, I take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you also to the family of the National People's Party. Let's give each other a round of applause as a sign of welcome to the National People's Party. I said that this is a historic day. And the reason I say this is because you have to see the faces of the individuals who are sitting here on the dais today. And if you see, there is a connection from a very long time between the people who are sitting out here on the stage. It was almost as if we were always meant to be together. It's almost as if we have been together in the past. Whether it is a generation before us, when late P.A. Sangma, late Peter Marbanyang, even our other senior leaders who are present here on the dais, worked shoulder to shoulder, worked together to take this beautiful state of ours forward. And here we are today, one whole circle round, back again, to be here together, to continue the work that these great leaders had started, and to take forward and take it to the logical conclusion. It's like it was meant to be. And that's why there's a sense of happiness and satisfaction today, not only in the hearts and minds of the leaders, but of each and every member of East Shillong, of West Shillong, and also of Nagpur area, where people are seeing hope. People are seeing that there is a vision. People are seeing that yes, maybe it is possible that one day this state of ours